Good morning, guys. This is Katie and it is now Wednesday. So it is another day of learning and teaching from home. So the children are going to be doing a Google Meet with me this morning. I'm going to be doing a whole class Google Meet, which I'm a little bit concerned about, only because we tried it, like when we first started with home learning, I did try a whole class Google Meet a few times and it's just noisy. And when you ask the children to turn off the microphone, they do, but there's always one child that doesn't know how to, and it's normally the child that's like the noisiest. It's just stressful. And then when you do tell them to turn off the microphones and you're talking them through something, if they have a question, they undo their microphone. It can just be a little bit hard. But what I want to do today is, because at the moment I've been arranging Google Meets to have like I use Google Meets for random check-ins, and then if children need help for like maths or literacy, then we arrange a small group Google Meet. But what I would like to do is so that children, I'm not getting all of the children in for like whole class ones. So what I would like to do is introduce them to Google Calendar to show them how they can see all of the Google Meets that are coming up on Google Calendar, so that if they are there in time slots, then I know that I've seen certain children at certain times, but then also they know that. And they know when their like meeting is coming up. So I don't have any kids being like, oh, I wasn't on at 2 o'clock, I didn't realise we had one. So I do always email them the day before, but just in case, I thought that'd be a good way to show them. So that is what I'm going to be doing this morning. And then I'm going to spend my morning marking, because I nagged my children for the last 2 days to make sure all their work from last week was in. Most of them are pretty good, but I do have quite a few children who either don't know where to put things properly and they've done it, but they haven't put it in the right place, or children that have just not done it. So I nagged yesterday big time for all the work in, and I said to them that if they got it all in, today we will have another class Google Meet and we will play Kahoot, and they love Kahoot, and they love doing it as a class, so hopefully that is enough to encourage them to do it all. So today I'm going to try and get up to date with all my marking. That is my plan, we'll see. Yay, my nagging worked. I've got loads of work handed in overnight. Good morning. Right, mic's off for a second so I can quickly show you something. And whilst the mic's off, you can have a think about what your favourite movie is, because after I've shown you this, I want to hear about your favourite movie. Just did a Google Meet with my class. So nice seeing them. Like, I really miss seeing them in class every day. It feels so weird, and it's really strange because it's only been like a week and a half now, or 2 weeks I think. Yeah, it's been like 2 weeks since I've seen them, and obviously you would normally have a 2-week holiday, but I think just not knowing when I'm going to see them again feels really bizarre, and just, I don't know, it's a bit sad. Anyway, it was really nice seeing them this morning. We had a nice like catch-up session. I taught them how to do Google Calendar. I taught them through some of the bits and bobs that I'm looking for from children. But then also we had a little Kahoot game as well, which is great. Kahoot is like an online game where you will, like, we use it in the classroom a lot. So you can go on to I think it's create.kahoot.com. As a teacher, you log in as a teacher, and then you can either make a Kahoot or find a Kahoot. And one of the teachers in my year group made a maths Kahoot that was based on what they've been revising. So I was like, do you know what, we can do that for this morning. Like, that'd be a nice kind of way to start the day. And normally in class you would put your board on, so they would have their own device, and they answer the questions by pressing, like, it's like a multiple choice. They press the colours on their screen. And then what we did with it via the internet is that I was on Google Meet and I presented my screen to them so they could see the questions, and then they would answer the questions on their own device. But yeah, it was really good fun. They enjoyed it, which is nice. It is now like 9:15. I've caught up on emails and Google Hangout, and now I am gonna solidly mark all of their work because a lot of it's come in, which is fantastic. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hi guys, so it is now 10 to 12 and I'm going to start. I've just finished marking all the work. I've left my laptop open in case children have questions, but I was like, do you know what, I want to start making lunch because I'm hungry already, and it takes like 20 minutes to make this lunch, so we are going to carry on. We've been having like this Thai dish that is like a Thai basil pork dish. So we've been making that, and then we bought ourselves a rice cooker. We didn't have one before. So we bought ourselves a rice cooker from Tesco Lotus, funny enough, and it was only like £5. So we make some rice, we have some Thai basil pork with it, and then we have like a Thai omelette as well. So that's what I'm about to make now. So I shall see you in a bit.